friends, welcome to my channel. It's another day of Vlogmas. I am trying to upload every single weekday for the month of December. Now today we're going to talk about my weakness. My one, well, actually kind of one of many, but my one weakness is stuffed animals. I am a sucker for it. So I recently visited the Bryant Park Holiday Market as well as the one in Union Square, and I stumbled upon this brand called Squishables, which sells really cute stuffed animals, stickers, puzzles, stuff like that. They do have an online store, but obviously I ran into them in person, and clearly I got a couple things. Honestly, not as much as I wanted to, because, you know, I have to be mindful of bills that I have to pay, my wedding stuff, so I really shouldn't have bought any of this, but it was so cute and it made me happy, and I'm so tempted to go back because they're going to be there until the first week of January, so it's kind of a limited amount of time, but I'm trying not to because I know it's not the wisest decision. Let's get into what I got. The first one is actually the second thing I picked up. This was from the Bryant Park location. It is the cutest little clam with a pearl. Like, I just, I sound ridiculous, but I just think it's so cute. It's this beautiful lavender color. It's propped up on its own. It's pink on the inside. It has a little cute pearl that has a face on it. You just can't get cuter than this. I think this is $22. They have different sizes. They have a giant pineapple, you guys, that is $250, but it is so cute. And they have the plague doctor. They have like the female version and the male version, and they're like 40 bucks, but they're gigantic. Or they also have like the cheaper $22 version. They have it in a keychain form, but they had it in my first location in Bryant Park, and then when not Bryant Park, in Union Square, but I wanted to see more of the selection that the other store had, so I went to the other store, which is bigger. I'm confusing myself. The Bryant Park location is bigger. You can actually step into the booth, and that's where I got this one. But I made the mistake of like not buying one thing in the other shop, assuming that the other one would have it, and vice versa. And it's different selection. Some of the same items, but some of it's different. But I think this is just so cute. It's so soft. I think it's gonna look so cute propped up on a floating shelf when I move out of this place, or probably on my vanity for now. It's just so cute. It's my weakness, you guys. The next one's a little bit more of a seasonal thing. It is a Christmas tree with a face on it. These are so soft and just like huggable. So this is a Christmas tree with little eyes and little bows and a star with a face on it. It is so cute. So let's take a look at the tag. This is a mini squishable. It says, "I am a Squishable. Hi, we love you, squishable.com," and then it has its social media. It's just so cute. So this is the Mini Flocks Christmas tree. They do also have it in like a vibrant green. This one's a little bit washed out intentionally, and I think it's just so cute. It is so cute, and this was, I forgot, I took the price off, but I'm pretty sure it was 20 something as well. But it was so cute, and even the bag is like super duper adorable. And I really like it. So that's not all I got. I also got a sheet of stickers. Honestly, like, I really contained myself pretty well, considering the fact that this could have gone a number of ways. There was so much cute stuff. So this is a sticker sheet. This was $3.99. They also had individual like decal stickers, which were also like $3 each. This is like a pack, but those stickers were absolutely adorable. Like, the quality of them were just so crisp and beautiful, and I'm in love. This is the Very Sweet Dessert Comfort Food Stickers by Squishable. A lot of these stickers are actually plushies that you can get individually, according to what it says right here. So we have a donut, we have a cookie. The double scoop ice cream I did see in the store, and it was the most adorable thing ever. I think it was like $40. I really love it. Like, it's so cute. If I had room for these, I would have gotten it as well. The little milk container is my favorite. Ice cream, a chocolate bar, some s'mores, an ice cream sandwich, strawberry milk, a cake, a cupcake, more ice cream. It is just the cutest thing. It also has like a fork, a spoon, some chocolate syrup. This stuff is just so cute. Like, I know it seems so silly, but I low-key almost like it more than Build-A-Bear, just because it's just, the cuteness factor is just already there. It's already there, you guys. So yeah, that's all I got. There's also some puzzles that I really like. So in stores, I only saw 300-piece puzzles, but when I checked their website, they do also have like a 500 and 1,000-piece puzzle. So I'm kind of tempted to do that because my family loves doing jigsaw puzzles on the dining room table. So I think that'll be fun to keep us all kind of connected and doing something together, especially because the holidays are quickly approaching, and, you know, we're always so caught up with work and stuff. But this is what I got. I love it. It brings me so much joy. If you've ever tried any Squishables, let me know. I would love to hear what you got. Check out their Instagram. By the way, this is obviously not sponsored. I paid for this with my own money. They take card only. I don't think they take cash, but I think that's just common with the Bryant market, with the holiday markets now, especially with what's going on. Obviously, I don't want to get demonetized, so I can't say the C word or the P word. But I'm really happy with these products, and I'm really going to try not to go back there this week because I really want the Dr. Plague ones. I want the double scoop. I want the pineapple. They have a really cute avocado. They have a corn keychain that's really cute. A carrot keychain that's really cute. The keychains are only like $10.99 or $11.99, so I don't think that's that bad. Granted, I don't always carry my keys with me, so it might not be. I mean, I could clip it to my book bag though. You know, there's a solution for everything. Anyway, I will be trying to catch up as best as I can to Vlogmas. I have missed 4 days, so I'm probably gonna upload on the weekends to make up for it, to catch up to the flow of things. But if you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. Check out social media links down below. I'm Bunny Janie on Twitter and Instagram. That's where I'm most active. I also have a coffee page, which is kind of like my tip jar. What else do I have? I have my Redbubble shop where I have really cute Bunny and Max designs, who was my dog who passed away a couple months ago. So I'll have all that stuff down below in the description box. I always keep it there. If there's anything you would like to see on this channel in an upcoming video, let me know, because 2022 is right around the corner and I definitely want to make some goals to hit for that year as well. So I'm pretty sure that's all I have to say. I know this was a very rambly video. I just got really excited with these items, and I'm gonna go take him to the living room so I can pull out my studio lights and take some really like high quality photos of them because they're just so cute. Anyway, you made it to the end of this video. Like I said earlier, thank you so much. Stay safe out there, and until next time, bye.